The furniture's name. Oh god, I don't know the furniture. Smelly cat, what are they feeding you?
1, 2, 3, let's go!
So hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Revati Bava. I make videos related to fashion, lifestyle, and I'm a part-time YouTuber and a full-time dentist. And in this video is special because I have two of my closest friends, and we three of us love friends. Love friends. Actually, we are a huge as Friends fan. So we decided to take a quiz, Friends trivia quiz, and yeah, let's see who wins. Let's see kisko zyada pata hai.
Who wins? मतलब I am going to win. Obviously.
Let's see किसको Friends का ज़्यादा knowledge पता है. I think as a intuition, I think she's going to win. Maybe, I don't know. It could be anybody. No, but I mean, you know. So
पहले से क्यों तुम manifest क्यों कर रहे हो पहले से?
So anyways, you're going to take the question. So my brother is behind the camera. He's going to ask me questions, and we are going to clap. And whoever claps first is going to get to answer the question. And the one who answers it correctly is going to get a point, 1 point, and like that, so on. So he's going to ask us 20 questions, and whoever gets the most points is going to get a treat from the remaining two.
किसका channel है guys? किसका channel है? तो treat कौन देगा?
So yeah, I'm so excited. Are you guys excited?
Super excited. Super.
Yeah, let's see who wins and gets a treat. And also, if you haven't subscribed, बोलो यार उनको subscribe कर
दो यार channel guys.
Yeah, so yeah, let's now begin finally with the Friends trivia quiz.
So the first question is, what's Phoebe's sister's name?
Ansala. I clapped first. Who clapped first? Who? Mummy is saying me. Mom's also
but
there.
The answer is already said.
Okay, the answer is said, guys.
What do you think? Who should get a point? No.
Next question. This was a trial.
This was a trial.
Okay.
Okay.
Unless and until auntie says you're not supposed to answer.
Yeah.
Yes.
Or
Okay.
else you will be given a -1.
Okay. Cool.
Penalty.
Penalty. So the first question is, what's nickname did Monica's dad give her?
I don't know the question's answer. I don't know. Oh, this is such a tough one. Do you know?
No.
Do you know? None of us know.
Is it something that we know? No. Is that word catchy? Is that name catchy?
No, that's Little Harmonica.
Little. Oh, yeah. Really? I knew it. Harmonica. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on to the second one.
The second question is, what is Rachel scared of?
Dhanasri.
Swings.
Dhanasri gets a point.
Okay.
1 point.
Okay.
So the third question is, what store does Phoebe hate?
Revati.
This furniture wala store. I don't know the name of it. Oh my god, I don't know the name of it. The furniture's name. Oh god, I don't know the furniture's name. Yeah, she hates that.
मैं Pottery Barn.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Oh shit, Dhanasri is getting.
Friends. Okay.
Dhanasri gets 1 more point. Okay.
What did Phoebe legally change her name to?
Dhanasri ने आवाज ओली ठाड़ी पहले Dhanasri.
Princess Consuela Banana Hammock.
Right answer.
She's winning. Yeah.
Answer right.
Okay.
Okay. Next question.
तो बताना ही नहीं चाहिए था मुझे फ्रेंड्स कभी सजेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए था.
So the next question, fifth question is, who got stuck in pair of leather pants?
अपन तीनों ने नहीं रहती. कौन?
Ross.
We all know it.
Ross is the answer.
मैं already बोल चुकी थी Ross.
I knew the answer to
I
it.
didn't know to clap first, no?
Okay, next
Yeah,
question.
I'm getting this point.
Yeah, she gets the point. Next question now.
So the next question is, who eats Thanksgiving dinner?
रेवती ने आवाज ओली
Chandler.
रेवती ने ताली बजाई.
Finally 1 point.
Okay.
Otherwise, I was behind.
The sixth question is, what's Monica's biggest pet peeve?
Dhanasri ने पहली आवाज ओली.
तू जल्दी मत आना.
Dhanasri.
Cleanliness.
नहीं.
I will repeat the question. What's Monica's biggest pet peeve?
You know it?
I know
Something
it,
dressed as someone.
Someone?
Something I don't know.
So I will give you guys a hint.
Okay.
It's either human dressed as animal or animal dressed as human.
Human dressed as animal.
Wrong.
Animal dressed as
I've never seen this in any
Even I haven't.
It was from that episode where he takes quiz.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Yeah.
right. Ross wala quiz.
I told you that she's thorough with it. She's thorough. She's
Okay,
like,
next.
yeah, next question. Huh.
So the 8th question is, what is Chandler's dad's stage name?
No, I don't know this.
नेहा नेवाजोली टाळी नेहा नेवाजोली टाळी
I know she doesn't know the answer. She just clapped for her, but she doesn't know the answer.
Ajay, you give us options, na? No.
No, we
No,
have
no,
to know.
wait.
No.
Okay, yeah, give us options.
Give
Let's
us
see who
options.
claps.
Something last gig is.
You have to say it exactly. You have
I
to
know.
say
She
it.
knows all the questions, yaar. How come she's answering everything?
Huh?
How does she know the question? She knows the answer. She knows the answers actually.
Something last gig is. I don't know.
No, give us options
She
fast.
knows the question.
So
She's seen
the
all
options are Egg Benedict or Viva Las
Viva
Vegas.
last gig is.
धनश्री
We both clap together. This is wrong.
Ah, okay, fine.
Give us both the
I
points.
gave the hint already, so it was last gig is.
Okay, ठीक है. Dhanashree gets the point. Fair, right? She knew the answer half.
So the next question is, I like this question. Where did Monica get a pencil stuck when she was 14?
धनश्रीने वाजवलं पहिली
Yeah.
टाळी
I don't remember this. You know.
Ah.
Right.
How can I forget it?
Nah, hai.
So the next question, 10th question is, what's Joey's favorite food?
Pizza.
रेवती
Oh fuck my
Right.
life. I got. Oh shit, my hands hurt.
Got
Okay,
excited.
But according to audience, the answer
It's
is
sandwich,
sandwich.
yaar. It's sandwich. It's not pizza. It's
No,
sandwich.
Joey's favorite food is pizza.
Joey's
Guys, he loves
Joey's
sandwich.
pizza
Sandwich.
hai
Hey,
shop,
this
but
question
don't-
is also from that
Okay, we'll skip
episode.
this one.
Okay.
Okay, no
We'll
one
do
gets
the
a
10th
point.
question.
I don't get a
No
point.
one-
Yeah.
No one gets a point. Okay, fine.
So the 10th question is, how often does Joey get the TV guide in mail?
Oh shit, this is such
What
a technical
repeat
question.
the
How often does Joey get the TV guide in his mail?
TV guide in his
Can you give us some options?
So the two options are once in a week, twice in a week.
Twice in a week.
रेवती
It's once in a week.
I just.
You're not supposed to do it.
But I don't remember this episode.
Yeah.
So we are 10 questions down, and the scoreboard is
Yeah, I don't know.
धनश्री 5 नेहा 1 रेवती 1
Sorry guys. Better than next time.
Oh,
She
excuse
knew
me.
all the questions.
Excuse me, 10 questions are still left. The
This
judge can
cheater,
check.
you have shown her some questions.
There's still.
Okay, fine.
Such
There are 10 more
Next,
questions.
next,
10 more
next
questions.
the 11th question is, it's a popular one. What's the name of Phoebe's most popular song?
Smelly cat.
धनश्रीने पहिली
Yeah,
टाळी
yeah. Already she is winning here.
तिने
It's
वाजवली
smell
टाळी
cat, yeah?
We all know this answer, yaar. Come on. Who doesn't knows it?
I know.
धनश्री तू ही हमको बाद में ट्रीट
Smelly cat, smelly cat. What are they feeding you? Smelly cat.
बस
smelly
next
cat.
question.
Okay.
It's
So-
not your fault.
The next question, 12th question. This is also a very popular one. What's the name of the coffee shop that Frank always visits?
धनश्रीने वाजवली
Central Park.
You should complete the question now.
Yeah, this is wrong.
पण तिला
Yuva.
उत्तर माहिती नाही ती सांगणार ना तुमचं असं थोडी चालेल
See, don't cry now. It's fine.
Ah.
You guys are losing. It's
You
fine.
guys are cheaters.
माझा आवाज घेऊ
Cheater
शकता
box.
तुम्ही
Come on, let's begin with the next
So
question.
the 13th question is, who says the last line of the series?
रेवतीने टाळी वाजवली
Oh shit, I don't know
I
this.
know.
I know it too, but it's
What
like
happened?
in US.
Last line, na.
Of the series.
Chandler.
That's right.
Where should we go? Where should we go?
Go to get the coffee.
Yeah, where exactly?
Oh, I
So
misread.
this is a tough one. The 13th question. What was the name of Joel's childhood imaginary friend?
Shit, I know.
धनश्रीने वाजवली
Jared.
Wrong.
Neha. She also doesn't know
this. I know
It's-
this. It's on my tongue, but I don't remember it.
Oh.
Can you tell the first letter?
Option.
Nahi, nahi,
You can give an
option.
option, then we three have a chance. at-
Option A, we'll get to know. Give the
No.
first letter.
First letter is M.
Morphe. Nahi.
No, now she has lost her one chance. You have to give us the option, and whoever claps will get.
Now he already gave M the hint,
No,
so
no.
whichever
Both
name
options
is.
are M only.
Yeah, fine. Okay, then fine.
So it's either Morris or Morris.
रेवती
Yeah.
Morris.
Morris or Morris.
Morris.
R-I-S or RICE? Morris.
RICE.
She's right actually.
It was a tukka.
Yeah,
but-
This won't be
ICE.
counted basically. She also said Morris.
So
you
we
never know.
will not just
So-
we'll just eliminate that.
Yeah. So the 13th question
No point.
again.
That's wrong. I win a point, and you'll do like
That
this.
was a tukka, please.
The 13th question again.
Okay.
What did Joey's imaginary friend do for a living?
Oh my god, this is such an in-depth question.
Okay, give us the question.
So the options are a space cowbird, a space ranger.
रेवती
Space cowboy.
She's right.
That I
This
knew.
is so simple. no?
Yeah, it was simple actually.
अभी इतना नहीं ना यार.
नहीं याद है अभी क्या.
Ah, yeah.
So the 14th question. What was the name of comic book that Ross made when he was young?
धनश्री
Oh shit.
I don't know. She
Wait,
knows
wait,
it.
wait, wait, wait. I know it.
Okay. I don't know it.
I
I don't know it.
know. शायद. I know.
So
what-
Should I?
Yeah, go ahead.
The Science Boy.
She's
Yeah,
right.
right.
So it's 14 questions down,
Hmm.
and we would like to introduce something new. Whoever claps and is not able to answer will get a -1.
This is wrong, huh?
But we
We
want
already don't have any
you
marks.
want us to be what a man. Now I got 2 points.
I don't have 2 points.
We are down
And
to 15 questions.
So we will not clap unnecessarily. Na? That
Exactly.
is what it means.
So 5 questions are
So
right.
now everybody knows that I'm smart, including
The 16th question is, who is the manager of Central Park?
रेवती
I know, fuck, are you? Oh shit! No.
Manager.
I know, fuck, oh, Gantha. The name was
Even
not
I-
coming to my tongue, you know. It's so common, everyone will know. I mean, who will not know that?
So the next question is the 16th question. It's an easy one. Which friend was the only one?
रेवती ने गाली बजाई
Unnecessary minus रहेगा. You said unnecessary minus.
I'm saying the whole question. If you don't answer, you're getting a -1.
Yeah, okay, cool.
अरे यार.
Which friend was the only one to kiss all the other friends over the course of show?
क्या
The friend's character that kissed everyone on the show, basically.
Rachel kissed everyone. Yeah, but I don't think she kissed Phoebe. Did she?
Yeah.
Yes. When she thought she was a lesbian.
Yeah, because she kissed. Yeah, right. Okay.
Yeah, and
Next
other
question.
2-3 times.
So-
She I'm failing
It's-
miserably.
The 17th question.
Hmm.
Okay. This is a tough one. Where did Rachel, Monica, and Ross go to school?
I don't know the name.
So I would like to give you options.
Okay.
It's
Why
all-
did he
Where the name of the school?
Wait a second, let us.
No, I would like
You
to
will
give
not know
options.
the name.
It's Lincoln High or Washington High.
रेवती ने बजाया
नहीं मैं याद आ गई.
मैंने बजाया.
रेवती ने
ठीक है.
बजाया
Lincoln High.
Yeah, she's right.
That is again a tukka. I was not sure.
So that's not acceptable.
It is.
Not acceptable.
Don't get jealous.
So the
Really
18th
wrong.
question.
Hmm.
Okay, this is a good one. What did Joey buy Chandler?
Chandler?
Watch.
नहीं,
Let me read the question. No.
Second.
Second. Oh, wait, he didn't read the question. He did not read. Yeah, that's what I said.
Answer is
Bracelet.
wrong anyway.
She said
No, you
what?
said watch.
She said what?
Bracelet, yeah.
Guys,
You
you
said
said
watch.
watch. एक second, you
You
said
didn't
watch
touch the
already.
question. It's a.
You said watch
Arey, but
already,
he
which
did
is
not read the
wrong.
question.
No,
You
no,
repeat it
no,
and see.
No.
She said watch,
Yeah.
and
No,
that
no,
was
no,
wrong
decide.
because it
Okay,
was
I got excited.
labeled.
Should we drop this?
No, why?
Drop it.
We'll
ड्रॉप
drop
कर
this.
पुढचा प्रश्न विचार
Okay. So the next question is, what color is the ottoman in Monica's apartment?
Ottoman कौन है?
What is Ottoman?
That
ताली तो बजा दी चूतिया
yellow. Ottoman is the behind that door, that frame,
It's
right?
green actually.
Yeah.
She doesn't get the point. She said the wrong answer.
कौन सा yellow है?
She doesn't
Green.
get the answer. She didn't.
Ottoman
say
is
the correct.
correct frame ना.
नहीं कुछ फिगर है ना ग्रीन कलर का उसके काउंटर पे रहता है.
What is an Ottoman? We don't
Okay,
know.
Ottoman वो.
I see you moved the green ottoman.
So let's skip this one.
Skip. हाँ वो green.
So the next question is, what color is the couch of Central Park?
रेवती ने बजाया रेवती पहली ताली तीन बजाई
रेवती?
हाँ मैंने बजाए.
Replay कर.
I'm not doing any replay. My mom's will.
So see, what is the lowest score?
Orange.
I think
Orange. Right.
it's not orange. Orange, brown.
Yeah, you can't look it out like that. It's not all like fuchsia pink and this pink and that orange. Let's just.
But you should be specific, na? What is orange? Orange
So
can be
it's
orange also.
17 question down right now, and the scoreboard is
धनश्री 7 नेहा 2 रेवती 7
Hey, how come I do?
Because you are not answering.
She's not
You are telling orange and orange. It's not orange. It's orangish brown. Brown guys.
3 questions more.
Okay, 3 questions. Oh my god.
4 ना 21 पाहिजे ना आपल्याला.
झाला ना आता?
हाँ.
3 questions more.
हाँ.
Okay, 3 questions.
I'm gonna fail. I don't want to play this game. I don't like it.
You can still win. I
Don't lose hope in 3 questions.
Yeah.
So
Be right.
this question is a good one.
Okay.
तयार राहा टाळ्या
18th
वाजवायला.
question, okay? Listen before clapping. How does Rachel remember her seat number for a flight to Paris?
धनश्री.
Because it was her breast size.
I told you this bitch has like ratified all of them hard. मतलब by heart. Yeah, so Dhanashri got a point. This bitch.
It's a bit difficult.
क्या मतलब क्या? नहीं.
Where does Chandler move to in season 9?
रेवती ने बजाया
In
था.
season 9.
Yeah,
I can tell.
Oh my god, I don't remember.
I can.
very easy.
I can.
If you're French fan, you should know this.
I can. Ohio.
You didn't ask her to. give.
Ohio.
Because you're not answering.
You were
तुम्हाला
wrong.
येत नाही तर मग ती
She
सांगितलं.
was wrong anyways.
In season 9 now,
So it's
Ohio.
wrong. Now either of you answer.
Season 9.
Can you give the first?
Yeah, I will give you a
letter?
hint.
हाँ.
It's
No.
choose anyone.
No.
Give the first letter. It's a state, right?
Yeah.
हाँ, so give us the first letter, ना? Don't
T.
give the T.
Tennessee.
Tuscan.
Tennessee.
नहीं.
Tuscan, I think.
Tuscan.
Tuscan.
Tuscan is it?
हाँ,
Texas. Tuscan.
It was-
Tennessee.
Okay, we are wrong.
Wait.
I don't think you said.
Wait. What is the letter?
T.
It's kind of easy.
Tulsa.
She's right, she's right,
Tulsa.
she's right, she's right.
Tulsa.
She said the right. It's Tulsa.
So I should get +5, right? This was a hard one. This was a hard one.
Actually, it's
It
not
was
hard
an
one.
easy one.
Shut
but
up.
you
Did you
did
answer?
not.
So you want her to
answer,
get
no,
5
no.
more points? Are you kidding me?
So, 2 questions left, okay?
Okay.
This is an easy one.
No, don't ask easy. This is a.
What don't ask easy?
I
Now I'm
know.
winning. What are you doing, man?
Don't ask
She
easy.
doesn't want
There
to.
are a few last
Okay.
questions. It should
So
be
this
hard.
should be a difficult one. Which couple had the longest relationship? And I will give you the options.
Hey, you're not. Hey, wait a
But
second.
the question-
नाशी टाळी का वाजवते पहिली?
Okay, mama. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
I'm asking that question.
Sorry, mommy.
Which couple has the longest relationship?
Okay.
The options are Monica and Chandler, Ross and Rachel.
मैंने पहले बजाया था
Dhanashri
ऑलरेडी
ने
बट मैंने पहले
हाँ.
बजा दिया था.
आणि मग आता तुम्ही टाळी
Excuse
का
me,
वाजवते?
मोनिका and Chandler नाही
परत
करणार.
विचार.
नाही,
एक
मोनिका
मिनिट
and
cancel कर.
Chandler.
कारण तू टाळी आता तुम्ही केव्हा
दुसरा
वाजवली
प्रश्न
प्रश्न संपल्यावर
हाँ, दूसरा question.
प्रश्न संपल्यावर टाळी वाजवली अगोदर.
हम आता बघ कोण करेल.
So this is going to be based on observation. Okay. The second last question for the quiz is:
थांबा आधी ऐका प्रश्न.
what color are the shelves in Monica's apartment?
Shells.
टाळी वाजवत नाही आणि कसं आहे?
But do you
We are
know
not getting a minus, so might as well I just try it. Brown.
Wrong.
Purple.
Which
Purple.
kitchen shelf. Wait a second. You cannot keep on
Ah,
guessing.
what
Okay,
shelf?
it's not
Kitchen
ghetto.
shelf, of course.
Kitchen shelf.
Purple.
No.
Okay,
Wait,
now
now
no
don't
guessing.
say,
Yeah.
Do you need options for this?
Yeah. Options.
But you won't answer. They have already given wrong answer.
It's
You
just-
can say that.
Okay, it's us two now.
Or else I will skip this question.
Yeah, skip
No,
the question.
no,
Skip
no.
the question.
No.
Skip us
You
करते.
might you
You
answer.
give answer to this, but I will skip this.
Ah.
Don't
Yeah.
count this, okay?
So they will keep on skipping.
Either one. It's orange or teal.
I said orange.
No,
No, it's
did not
teal.
say. You
Yeah,
said
it's teal.
green
It's
or
teal.
It's orange.
It's
The
teal,
answer is
teal. ऐसा
orange.
होता है?
Orange.
Greenish wala.
I know.
It's
Remember?
teal. So now you have to count.
The answer is
Yeah,
orange.
come on,
or
yaar.
teal.
But I have to count it.
The orange is what? The color is what?
Fine,
I
I'm fine
love
with
this
Neha getting the point as long
person.
as she's not getting. I'm happy.
The orange or teal. Can you tell me which was the answer?
Teal.
Let her get the point as it is. She's losing, so it doesn't
Yeah.
matter. Yeah.
So one question.
And it doesn't matter. But it'll make your reputation
We are
good.
counting it, right?
Yeah, like
So
count
the
it.
last question
Oh my God.
for tonight. What are Monica's and Ross's parents' name?
धनश्रीने वाजवली टाळी.
Jack is his father's name. And what was his mother?
Come on!
I don't know the name
I
of
know.
the mother.
Wait. Oh my god.
Okay, you have to give
Jack
up.
and...
Now you can't
Wait a second. You don't distract me.
distract me? Are you kidding me? Jack, oh my god, I'm losing.
I want the
Jack and,
But anyway, today I'm going to lose.
Why don't I remember?
Okay.
I don't remember.
But okay, it's tick on.
Yeah, you.
Judy!
She's right.
Aww. Okay, let them both get one point.
Woohoo! So that makes me
Yeah.
the winner.
धनश्री 8, नेहा 5, रेवती 7.
So the scoreboard is Dhanashree 7, Neha 5, Revati 7. Let's do 3 questions.
More.
Each question,
ये धनश्री 8 था.
Dhanashree 8,
हाँ.
Neha 5, Revati 7.
Okay.
Let's do 3 questions each. Every question will have 3 points.
You said 2 points.
Okay, 2 points.
2 points, make it 2. Yeah, 3 questions, but each of them will
Each
get
question will get 2
points. Okay, done. Let's hit us up with the questions.
Yeah.
Ask us difficult ones.
This one, then she and her will only know. I'll not win only.
But hey, I'm the lowest one over here.
But you are also come close now.
Okay.
That's what you get for
So
Yeah.
the first special question is for 2 points. Why did Chandler spend his Thanksgiving in a box?
Dhanashree was right.
Actually, when I know the answer. Fuck. I know
Because
that.
he cheated on Joey by dating kissing his girlfriend.
Oh my god, I knew this.
Even I knew this, yeah, but I was late.
I should have
2
clapped.
points for
Even I should have
me.
clapped.
Drum rolls, please.
The second special question for 2 points is where was the first scene of the show?
रेवती ने बजाया.
Question. Please complete the question. Yeah.
Short.
Central Park.
She's right.
That was an easy one.
That was easy and the question was
So-
Okay, so don't get jealous, both of you. Shut up. I know.
scam.
So
Last one.
the last question, but for 5 points.
What? Don't make it difficult.
Yeah, don't make it harder
He
than it
really
already
wants
is.
me to win, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, hit us up.
So the last question for 5 points. What was the name of the bald woman Ross dated?
Dhanashree was right.
I don't even know the names. I'm not even.
Dhanashree was right.
Bald woman he dated.
Come on, give us options.
Okay,
I think I know.
Yeah, I know.
I know the character. I don't remember the name. Even I know who you.
Even
She
I
is.
know the
I
name.
don't know the
Shayad.
name. Phoebe's friend, but I don't know the name.
Phoebe's friend.
They can't take so much of time. You have to give
Shayad, I'm
options.
not sure.
Come on, give us the options. Give us the
Wait,
options.
wait, I-
No
option.
no.
Give us the starting letter, I think.
No, not the starting
Pata
letter.
chal jayega.
Bonnie.
She's right. What the hell? She wins the game. I told you my intuition was right, and look at it.
So the final scores are
I don't know.
Dhanashree 15, Neha 5, Revati 9.
and the winner for the French trivia is Dhanashree Nalaude.
And so she's going to treat us with
Excuse me.
tomorrow.
So, anyways, we'll have to now give her, but I think we'll not give her. You know,
Excuse
she-
me.
नहीं देने वाले कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है.
I'll boycott you guys.
Okay.
We
let's-
will boycott. We are in majority.
Okay. नहीं चल इतने तो you played so well, so yeah चल तेरा साकी.
मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was
नेक्स्ट
the
टाइम
important
मैं
part.
सब होमवर्क करके आऊंगी अपना.
So yeah, thank you, mummy, and thank you, my brother, my sweetheart of a brother, for helping us with this video.
Thanks.
Yeah, so this is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the
Like,
button.
subscribe, and don't forget to
Share.
comment ki who should be the winner.
Yeah.
I should have been the winner.
Okay, so yeah, that was it with my 2 of my closest sweethearts. I had a lot of fun. Actually, it was a lot of fun. Then I even thought, yeah, it was. I'm just gonna end the video here. And yeah, Dhanashree is obviously the winner. And yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment down who was your favorite among us. Like who played well according to you. Obviously by score she, but otherwise also. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. And if you want to see more such videos, then don't forget to comment. And yeah, I'll see you.
Share. Subscribe.
And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye. Take care. Stay safe. Get vaccinated.